Chandu's father had left behind a lot of land as an inheritance for him. But he didn't value it because he had heard somewhere about a magical potion. Since then, he has been engrossed in searching for that potion or creating it. Taking advantage of this, the villager seized all his property.
Are you sure this will work?
Yes, it will surely work.
Take these coins.
His wife, Rama, was quite worried because of Chandu's
Oh,
actions.
you have sold all our land. At least pay some attention to the small piece of land that's left now. Otherwise, that too will slip away from our hands.
Once I create the potion that turns everything into gold, then there will be only wealth and happiness around us.
Oh my god, I don't know which magical spell has possessed him.
Give me arms. Give me some arms, please.
Greetings, my lord. Please come and take a seat.
Son, I'm very pleased with your services.
Really, my lord? Then my life has indeed become successful. Just before you leave, please tell me one thing. I have heard about a magical potion that can turn anything into gold. Is it true?
It is absolutely true. When I was meditating in the Himalayas, I also learned the method to create that magical potion.
What? I found it! I found it! I knew it! My lord, now quickly tell me the method to make that potion.
You will have to put in a lot of hard work for this.
I have been working hard for so many years. Just tell me the method. I will do it.
So listen carefully. You will have to plant a banana tree and water it daily.
This is a very easy task.
First, listen to the whole thing. When the tree grows, during the cold season, dew will fall on its leaves. You will have to collect the dew from the leaves in these bottles.
Dew in the bottles? And I have to plant the trees? My lord, please suggest an easier method.
If you want an easy method, then this is not for you.
Wait, my lord, wait. Just tell me the method. I will put all my efforts into completing it.
So listen carefully. When you have collected 5 bottles of dew, bring them to me. I will transform the dew into the magical potion with my mantra. Then a drop of that potion can turn anything into gold.
But winter only lasts for a few months in a year. Like this, it will take years for me to collect 5 bottles of dew. But there seems to be no other way.
Chandu clears the entire field and plants many banana trees. He takes care of the trees day and night. Regardless of storms or hurricanes, in the end, his hard work pays off and the trees bear plenty of bananas.
Wow, see the fruits of your hard work? So many of them.
Now our house will be filled with gold.
Gold? But what does gold have to do with bananas?
Banana? I'm talking about the dew deposited on the leaves, not the banana. It is from the dew that the potion to turn things into gold will be made. That's what the wise sage said.
What? You did all the efforts for the dew, not the bananas? Well, do whatever you want to do. But first, give me those bananas so that I can sell them in the market.
Oh no, dew! Huh? Hey! I made a huge loss because of you. Now let me first collect the dew. Just one bottle? It will take me many years to collect 5 bottles of dew like this.
You keep collecting the dew. I am going to sell the bananas.
Every year, Chandu would plant banana trees and collect dew from them. Meanwhile, Rama used to sell the bananas from the trees in the market. As time passed, 5 years went by, and finally, Chandu managed to collect 5 bottles of dew.
Wow! I have done it! Finally, I have done it! My lord! Look here, I have collected 5 bottles of dew. Now quickly turn this dew into the magical potion with your magical mantra. All right, now quickly turn into a golden plate. Let me pour some more. Why this is not working? Now turn into a golden leaf. This also did not work. Not even this. Why is this not working?
Because no such potion exists.
What? This is cheating, my lord. You have wasted my 5 years. Hey, Rama, you are here? And what is this?
Look at this.
So many gold coins.
This is the goal for which you have been working continuously for the past 5 years.
What do you mean?
I mean, while you were farming and growing banana trees, Rama used to sell the bananas in the market. Gradually, she collected so many coins from it. This is your gold, and it did not come from any potion, but from your hard work.
But why didn't you tell me this earlier?
If I had told you earlier, you wouldn't have done all this.
Forgive me, my lord. I have realized that hard work is the real magical potion.
After that day, Chandu worked very hard. And he also stopped trusting anyone's words blindly.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.